Okay, I'm going to work through the practice problems for Excel Lab 1. Our first lab is just to get you acquainted with Excel. So once you have Excel open, on sheet 1, you want to first change your view to the page layout view. So to do that, you're going to click on View along here on the top and then click Page Layout. This will help to be sure that you don't have graphs or tables that are hanging off the edge, and that's part of the presentation of your Excel lab, is to make sure that you don't have a graph or a table that's split between two pages. Next, in cell A1, type your first and last name. It's possible that you might have to use wrap text in order to make that happen, so my name's short enough that I don't, but if you do need the wrap text, under this Home tab here, here's the wrap text button. So now one of the things Excel will do for you are some calculations. We want to make sure that we start all of our calculations with an equals. You do have to use a times between numbers for multiplication because Excel doesn't understand implied multiplication. And then this little caret here is used to raise a number to a power. For the square root symbol, Excel uses SQRT and PI, open close parentheses, for the value of pi. Alright, so here in cell A3, we are going to evaluate this expression. So, in cell A3, we are going to type equals -4 times 15 plus 3 to the third power minus 125. Press enter and we get -158 in cell A3. So Excel just did that calculation for us. Now, Excel can be used to calculate several values if you're given a formula or a function. So for instance, circumference of a circle for radius values of 5 inches, 10 inches, and 15 inches. So we'll try that. In cell A5, we'll type radius, and in cell B5, we will type circumference. I'm going to make this cell just a little wider so I can have the entire circumference in there. In cell B6, we're going to enter the given radius values in cells A6, A7, and A8, so 5, 10, and 15. And then in cell B6, we're going to put in our formula for finding the circumference, equals 2 times PI, open and close parentheses, times the radius. And since the radius is in cell A6, we'll just type in A6 and it will reference that cell for us. And there's our circumference. Now, since I used a cell reference, if I come to the bottom right corner and click and drag, it will fill in the rest of the circumferences for me. Alright, so then the rest of the Excel lab comes with lots of detailed explanations as to what you're expected to do, and the rest is up to you. And you'll start working on that on sheet 2, since your practice problem is on sheet 1.